So OpenAI released the latest version of Foro model around end of April, and within a few hours, users who were interacting with the model through ChatGPT started complaining of psychophancy. What this means is that the model started behaving as someone who was trying to flatter the user or was being a yes man. Now you don't want that in scenarios where people are looking for original insights and advice. So uh, what went wrong? So OpenAI has a holistic evaluation framework. They made some part of it public as well as their approach. Uh, and as part of their evaluation and testing, they ran the model through quantitative testing, benchmarks, and scoring mechanisms like ability to solve mathematical problems, ability to solve coding problems, and the model performed very well on those benchmarks. Uh, then there is another element of the evaluation which is qualitative, where domain experts and human in the loop, they actually interact with the model and provide their feedback. These qualitative testers did mention that something is not right with the model, but they were not able to pinpoint what exactly is wrong. So eventually, OpenAI released the model in production, and it faced backlash from the users. It ultimately had to roll back to an older version to contain the damage. Um, so from a key learning standpoint, what this teaches us is that, like, traditional AI systems, like a forecasting model or a prediction model, was very much about hard metrics around, okay, how accurate is it? What are the precision and recall scores? But with these new generative AI systems, which are very conversational in nature, there is introduction of these software elements around personality of the model or the behavior of the model. And as these systems get embedded and move to production, it is very important to make sure that the software aspects align to the overall goals of the system as well. Yes, definitely, the tangible and the hard metrics remain important and will continue to be important. But then these software elements of the generative AI systems impact user experience, which is a very key part of how a user would perceive an application and form their opinion about how good or bad an application is. So as we move things from non-production to production, we need to start thinking of the overall impact uh, on the flows and the user experience of the behavior and personality of the models, and how can we actually use system prompts and other guardrails to make sure that the model stays true to the core of the application and remains useful for the users. So if you are building AI systems, make sure you start looking at software aspects as well, and make sure that whatever you're building is safe for all.